we're going to look at performing conversions using a conversion fraction. For our first question, we're going to convert 72 centimeters into inches. So before we start, we have to know how inches and centimeters are related. So we can look up on our formula sheet and find that 1 inch is approximately the same as 2.5 centimeters. I can also look up and find that 1 centimeter is approximately 0.4 inches. So when we convert 72 centimeters to inches, we can actually use either one of these. So to set up our expression, we're going to write down what we have to start. So we have 72 centimeters. And I'm going to set up a conversion fraction. In our conversion fraction, whatever units we currently have and want to get rid of, we're going to put in the denominator. So we want to cancel out our centimeters. Whatever units we want our answer in, we're going to put in the numerator, so inches. And then we're going to use our conversion equivalencies here to find that 1 inch, so put that on the top, is about the same as 2.5 centimeters. When we multiply these out, the centimeters are going to end up canceling. And so what we're going to have left is we have our 72 times 1 divided by 2.5 will be my answer in inches. So to just write that out here, we have 72 times 1 divided by 2.5 will be my answer in inches. So if we type that into our calculators, 72 times 1 divided by 2.5, we get 28.8 inches. So that tells us that 72 centimeters is approximately 28.8 inches. We're just going to try it with the second equivalency here and we'll see what happens. So again, we would start with 72 centimeters. We'll set up our conversion fraction again. So we still want to get rid of centimeters, so we put centimeters on the bottom. We want our answer in inches, that'll go on the top. But now we're going to use our second expression here, that 1 centimeter, so 1 centimeter will go on the bottom, is approximately the same as 0.4 inches. And then we'll follow the same steps as the previous question there, where we're going to cancel off our centimeters. So I'm left with 72 times 0.4 divided by 1 will be my answer in inches. So to write out our expression for that, we would have 72 times 0.4 divided by 1 will be our answer in inches. So again, we'll go to our calculators and we'll type in 72 times 0.4 divided by 1. And again, we get 28.8 inches. So we get the same answer regardless of which equivalency expression we used. For our next question, we're going to look at converting 70 miles per hour into kilometers per hour. So we're going to set it up the same way. We'll write down what we're starting with. So we have 70 miles per hour. We want to convert that into kilometers per hour. So I'm going to set up a conversion fraction here. In this case, we actually still want hours to be in the bottom, so we don't want to cancel the hours out. We'll leave that there. What we want to do is cancel out the miles and make them into kilometers. So to cancel out the miles, we'll put miles in the denominator and kilometers in the numerator. So again, we're going to have to know how kilometers and miles are related. So we can look that up and we find that 1 mile is approximately the same as 1.6 kilometers. So now when we cancel out our units, the miles will cancel. So now we'll be left with 70 times 1.6 divided by 1. But my units now, we actually have kilometers in the numerator and hours in the denominator. So our unit will now be kilometers per hour. So we'll write down what we're going to put into our calculator here. So we have 70 times 1.6 divided by 1. And my units, kilometers, are in the numerator, hours in the denominator. So if we type in 70 times 1.6, we can see that this is equal to 112 kilometers per hour.